Okay, part number 3. Preparing the house. A. Cleaning the house. A house must be cleaned in honor of Shabbos. Here too, one should imagine how hard he would work to prepare for mortal king, if the mortal king was coming to visit his home. How much harder should he work to prepare for Shabbos clean? So it's the same concept. Everything must be clean. Of course, if the person is working the whole week and let's say even Friday is short day, it's not enough time to clean the house. So they have to start cleaning before that time, of course. Be covered and set in the table. The table where the meal will be eaten should be covered with a tablecloth in honor of Shabbos. So also when you buy a tablecloth, nice one, so I say it's in honor of Shabbos. Preferably all tables that will be used on Shabbos should be covered. So I mean, if you need to cover. So I mean, if you have like countertop and you prefer not to cover, so don't cover, right? And should remain covered the entire Shabbos. Okay, so basically the table where you eat from and all of the tables that maybe you where you eat, when you put like dirty dishes, so you also can cover. Okay, so continue. Covering so we said the tablecloth should be designated specifically for Shabbos. So everything that we use, we say this is for Shabbos. This tablecloth I'm going to use only for Shabbos, of course, holidays. Tables that are used only for the weekday activities, such as work tables, need not to be covered. Or you have your desk where your computer is, so it doesn't have to be covered. Continue. Though it is mentioned in the Paskim that one should set the table on Erev Shabbos, one may set the table before Friday as well. I mean, if they work like they must work for whatever reason, they must work on Shabbos or on Friday. So I would say just say, okay, you can prepare on Thursday. Okay, so continue. Shabbos dishes. It is the best to have special set of dishes for Shabbos. Inexpensive paper goods should preferably not be used. If one would have an important guest, he would not serve him as in inexpensive paper goods. And Shabbos deserved the same honor. So basically, I mean, the Rabbi explained very, very simply. So just imagine that you have very important guest. Would you put a paper plate for him? Like some people, they would use only paper plates because they don't like. I mean, in some instances, for example, when you have many kids and you don't expect your wife to wash the dishes, right? That's a little too much, right? Especially if you have 5 kids and all of these plates from fish, from meat, and the forks and the knives and this and that, it's too much, right? So in some cases. If she wants to wash, if you have a dishwasher, no problem. If you don't, so don't. So basically, man has no right to force his wife to do like some extra. So for her, it's going to be a burden. If you have a dishwasher, that's it. That's there is no problem. You can buy the regular dishes, right? The China dishes. But if not, don't use the cheapest plates. So you use like some with decoration stuff like that, some like better quality, at least if you want to use. If you have many people, if you don't have many people or many guests, so you must buy very good dishes, and they don't like where we live. They don't cost so much, and if you're smart, if you buy in the right place and the right time, they even cheap. Okay.